Welcome to this presentation on how to pass Level 3 assignments, assessment or exam for 2025-26. You can visit our website by clicking on link provided in comment sections or chat with us on WhatsApp on clicking link to get best expert help. Contact us for any queries related to CIPD. The first and most critical step to passing your CIPD Level 3 assignments is understanding what you're being asked to do. This means knowing your assessment criteria, ACs, inside and out. Each unit is broken down into several ACs, and each one must be directly addressed in your response. Begin by reading each AC carefully and break it into smaller, answerable questions. For instance, if the AC says, "Describe 2 external factors affecting an organization," list them out and explain each one clearly. Your answer should match the language of the AC. Don't wander off topic. Before writing, create a structure that maps each paragraph or section to a specific AC. This ensures no part of the brief is left unanswered. The examiners want to see targeted responses that show clarity and understanding. This strategy will help you stay focused and meet expectations more confidently. CIPD assignments aren't just about theory, they also test how well you can apply learning to real-life HR situations. That's why examples are key. Try to use examples from your own workplace or case studies you've read. For instance, if discussing employee engagement, mention how your company ran a pulse survey and responded to feedback. Use industry-relevant terms and current topics like flexible working, digital learning, or mental health support to show you understand today's HR landscape. Even if you're not currently working in HR, you can reference well-known organizations or scenarios based on credible HR case studies. The more specific your example, the better. It shows you're not just repeating theory, but thinking critically. Avoid being too general, like, "Companies improve engagement by listening to staff." Instead, say, "Company X introduced Friday check-ins, which improved team morale." These details show depth and relevance in your assignment. Need help in any CIPD Level 3 assignment? Visit our website or chat us on WhatsApp link given in comment sections. A well-organized assignment makes a strong impression. Examiners look for clear, structured writing that's easy to follow. Always start with an introduction that outlines what you'll cover and finish with a summary that wraps up key points. For each AC, create a subheading, e.g., AC 1.3, supporting L&D. This helps the examiner track your response and ensures you don't miss any part of the brief. Keep paragraphs short and stick to one idea per paragraph. If you're listing factors, consider bullet points or even tables to make things visually clear. This approach is especially helpful in more technical sections like PESEL or SWOT analysis. Using formatting effectively, like bolding key terms or separating examples, also improves readability. Logical structure doesn't just help the reader, it also helps you stay focused while writing and ensures your response flows from one idea to the next. To pass your CIPD Level 3 assignments, you need to show you're familiar with professional HR terminology and frameworks. Don't just say, "HR helps people work better." Instead, say, "HR uses performance management techniques to align individual goals with organizational objectives." Use models like the Ulrich model, Maslow's hierarchy, or Kirkpatrick's learning evaluation to support your points. This shows that you're thinking like an HR practitioner. Make sure to define any terms that could be unclear. For instance, if you mention employee life cycle, briefly explain it. Avoid casual words like nice, stuff, or things. These weaken your writing. Strong terminology not only improves your grade, but also prepares you for real-world HR conversations. It's okay to look up unfamiliar terms in your study guides and practice using them in your own words. Consistent use of professional vocabulary will demonstrate your readiness for HR practice. The final step before submitting your assignment is just as important as the writing itself, reviewing and refining. Always use the CIPD Assessment checklist to go through each AC and confirm whether your response meets the requirement. You should also proofread for grammar, spelling, and sentence structure. Tools like Grammarly can help, but always read it yourself aloud to catch awkward phrasing. Make sure the structure is clean, formatting is consistent, and any references or examples are correctly included. Some assignments also ask for reflection. This is your chance to explain what you've learned and how it will apply to your HR role. Be honest and thoughtful here. It adds a personal and professional touch. Lastly, ensure every AC is clearly labeled and directly answered. Submitting a well-polished and fully covered assignment not only earns better marks, but also boosts your confidence in future HR assessments.